crazy ngithathelwa malibheka la
yakabani solo ngokumnikazi wayo khona ikumbuka
ongayibona manje hayi usuku lo udla
First YouTube video yakho why usasubscribe?
ifike
Ngine YouTube channel.
abo YouTube abo YouTube asibashayela nawe ngikhahlela ukuthi la
It was a tough journey to decide to get rid of the hair
or to relax.
That's what let's go low. Oh, not so next. So vlog. Let me do it now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabanguni Khatebe, the one and only daughter of the Nguni clan. How you doing, Charlotte? How you doing? It's good to be back. It's good to be back with another little vid. Yeah, I get it. You guys have been watching snippets of my days, and I haven't introduced myself, so I thought I should introduce myself because this is where I officially start talking and stuff, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because you guys are just watching my videos and you guys are not subscribing. Because I put all the effort in my videos and you guys are just watching me and not subscribing. Don't do that to me. But anyway, yeah, basically I'm at my cousin's house. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna tell you guys what we're gonna be doing throughout the day. Tomorrow is an exciting day for me. Say hi to my vlog. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, guys. I said I must take one. If you're I'm going to take my Ferrero. I know who bought you Ferrero.
Mama's talking this one.
Fancy. Guys, I want you to see something. Look. She's on my koa. Can you relate? No, you can't relate. Let's open it. ASMR. ASMR. Guys, I'm so hungry. It's not even funny. And guys, okay. Good job. Relax. Yeah, this is me. Cream. I'm not killing you.
Okay, you just eyeball it. Really.
It's in a Parmon's kitchen. Okay. It's a zesty lemon flavored bomb concentrated paste.
Scary, you see.
Ew! What the heck?
I know.
I'm vlogging, yeah, I'm coming.
Sharp.
Jump. Garlic.
Let me tell you, garlic powder.
White onion. Okay.
You're gonna eyeball it also. I should have taken these things out. Do you get what I'm saying?
I get you.
But it's live. The paste makes the sauce look so scary.
I hope it tastes good. I help because I'm strong. Here's my food. Doing a taste test for my meal. I'm so hungry. First bite. are in Himhe. We're going to buy bread. What? What are we gonna do? Yo, it's on and that's all we're getting. Okay. So we're going to. I didn't bring it. Okay. No, you don't have to wear dresses. You didn't bring a one. I didn't bring a dress. We're not going to. Oh. Like orange, naughty right now. Why am I waiting? She's gonna pay for her own stuff. Pause. We're done. Now we're going home. It was a nice side quest for like 15 minutes. Like, come on, kids. Come on. Come on. Look at the Teletubbies at the back. I'm gonna show a reference of the Teletubbies. Okay. See you guys when we get home.
19 minutes after 5 o'clock, Metro FM, it's where you want to be.
Good morning, guys. Getting ready at this time has to be a crime, honestly, because it is currently 6:30, and we woke up at 6 o'clock because girls have a lot of things to do. So yeah, I'm gonna do our face piece, wanna touch up our hair. I still have to I forgot to tell you guys. Sorry, friend. I forgot to tell you where we're going. Oh my gosh, I'm such a bad vlogger. But we are going to Germany versus Japan. So yeah, that's why we're up so early. Yeah, we're gonna show you guys our OOTDs, what we get up to preparing. We're supposed to be leaving at 9:30, so let's hope we are gonna set the record and leave on time. Hopefully, because I know myself. I'm not the best at being on time, but trust me, today I'm gonna be the one waiting for them because I know. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, it's always slow in the morning, but we're gonna get into the groove and we're gonna fast, quick and hard. So we just have to wait for Anda's mom to bath. Is she going to bath? So we just have to wait for Anda's mom to bath. For that, while she's doing that, I need to go iron my clothes because Anda's dad has already woken up. So I need to go iron my clothes. Actually, I need to decide what I'm going to wear because yesterday I just didn't do that. Like, I just didn't do that. No. So why omo asakin kabate?
Wamenza nalikiya ke na kabateng. Wamenza.
Go downstairs.
I said it, but they're downstairs.
I heard you guys are gonna shop downstairs.
That's what I'm thinking, but they're downstairs at 17.
You just put cling wrap, friend.
Clean the ground with.
And then
Maneuver.
it works.
It works, but you must slap in a record time.
It goes down.
Mm-hmm.
You know me. I can do that. So yeah, guys, let's just figure out this bathing situation. And then you wanna say hi to my vlog. Come say hi. You must see the before and after. You look nice. Come see. Come. Yeah, she looks nice when she wakes up.
She's lying. It's just true.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So, guys, it's the morning.
Oh, finally. Wait, let me see. Let me have the first. It's not gonna work, sis. No, it's going to spill.
Okay.
We need the milk.
Just say good morning. Good morning, people.
It took her time, guys.
I'm awake now.
It's sugar free.
We're gonna have
eating
oats.
Anyway.
Oats for breakfast because girls need to eat so that they can get energy.
No, I'm eating oat because I want to get thick.
Oats, yeah, keep this on.
Yes, I'm eating oat because I want to get thick. I'm joking. I don't eat oats.
I've been eating oats. I don't see a difference.
Like almost every week, like at least twice.
As I really make him oats, so I eat oats, so but like
No, it's not supposed to make you thick here. It's supposed to make you thick here, like
Kind of thighs,
in the thighs and thumb. That's not it.
But I think it's a good thing that
Yes.
because now you're not in Korea. Exactly your thick.
yeah. No, Marali, get that. You want to console me.
Bye bye.
Okay, guys, we are done getting ready. I forgot to get ready with you guys because time is really not on our side. Time is really not on our side, but we're leaving now. I'm gonna show you guys our OOTDs when we. No, he's upstairs. When we get to the place, when we get to the first stop. That's if I get a chance to like show you guys the OOTDs. But yeah. Yeah, and I was gonna vlog, I was gonna vlog my makeup routine thingy, but I forgot I showed you guys in the car, so. Yeah. I'm taking an apple. Because I know myself. I'm gonna get hungry. Eventually. And I get like about banana apple yak. No. You don't know. Because why almost such a apple yak? So yeah, I look tea. Life's good. And Lampon chat. Lampon. Hello. Okay. So we're gonna show you guys our OOTDs when we get there. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Why am I greeting again? But yes, we have arrived at the first location and we're already in the taxi. Not the public taxi, the one the money giving. No. What do we call this taxi? The quantum that is a family quantum. We're going there. It's not the one yes, you guys get me, So yeah. It's very nice. And then get the sound. So no, it's kept yeah. Talk to you guys. Which one? Window. Oh my gosh. Can't even see properly. But guys, we have arrived. This is the entrance. So we're waiting for everybody to come because I don't know tickets, what's going on. Yeah. And I can hear cars playing in the background. pom today. Talking about. I can't even take all of them. The way it's so nice. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys like the cars I find nice. But space, guys, and my phone is running low. We're not even through. Like it's not even free yet, you know. But oh, this is sick.
Have you reached for sure? We don't hide her. You all just gotta know. We can party through the night. Here I
This look nice on me. Hey guys, we're home and these girls are just like, it's too late for this. Look what's going on. I'm having a cup of hot chocolate because I'm really cold. Yo. Hi guys, good night, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I just wanted to show you something. Imaranaki scam. Wait. La believe Maranaki moto. On a desert wheel. Oh! And look how dirty this is. Also, plug. This is my cousin's. Oh. I didn't know it works this good. But wow. Mara, class muscular so like it's not the I read my eye. And I have lashes on. What if I go blind? What if I go blind? God forbid. I'm good. You're a big girl. Sama, you're a big girl. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm going to tell you, let's shoot. Oh, very good. Oh, who am I looking good for? Look, I can't even blink properly. Hold on. Guys, now, I have a tripod there, but it broke. It broke, so now it broke. I did say that. Yo, just so Christ. Oh gosh. It broke. Like the legs broke, so I can't use it because it can't stand on its own, you know. So yeah, but let me tell you guys so long about my day. My day was so good. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys saw how lit it was, and the cars, oh my gosh, I'm starting to like Stan's cars. I was not really a fan of Stan's cars like that, but wow, you guys have been gatekeeping. But like, obviously, like, not all Stan's cars, you know. And my lash, oh god, like, not all Stan's cars, but like, yo, the ones I saw, wow, stunning, like, stunning. And yeah, it was nice. And then we went to Coach afterwards. The food was good. I was just so tired. And my phone, everyone's phone was running on low. Now my phone was already flat when I got to Nasrection. It was on 30-something%. Like, what did you expect? My ex? And it's because of you guys. Because I was shooting content left, right, and center. So that you guys can enjoy the video. Because you guys said my vlogs are short. So, let me plug these people with some nice stuff, you know? So yeah, that was basically my day. Then we went back to Pinville to drop everyone off. And then they basically escorted us to the Soweto Highway, yeah. And then everybody went their separate ways. It was so sad. But we're gonna see each other again in December, which is really fun, and I'll be done with school. So yeah, kita battle, guys. What else happened? Oh, the outfits there. So this is what I used on my face. The outfits are banana. Questionable. Like, how's the winter? Couple, we didn't get the memo because the girls there were wearing mini skirts, kids in heels, just strings. Zama had layers on layers, like under her outfit. Like, I was not playing, and I bought like a long jacket thinking that it was gonna be cold, but I didn't even end up wearing it. It was just umthwalo. But yeah, we have fun. Can't wait to do it more often. Like, I actually like these type of places. Like, yeah, Farmers is cool and all, but like, these ones, you see new people, new faces, new aesthetics. It's just like, wow. Okay, I kind of like this tea. So yeah, guys, let me stop rambling. I'm actually tired. My back hurts. So let me finish washing my face. Go to sleep because I'm tired. Your girl needs to rest. She's tired. So yeah, this is actually the last time you guys see me today. So okay, guys, have a good night's sleep. Make sure you dream of me. Make sure you pray. Don't forget to pray. And just be grateful that you get to wake up every day and experience the life that God has made for you. Be grateful all the time. You guys, see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's not actually morning. It's 14:54. And we're cleaning up. Ooh, I look so crusty. Skawarang, guys. Skawarang. And my face is so dry. Skawarang. But yeah. Hey guys, we're going to do sparkling water. So I must press it.
Continue eating McDonald's.
No!
Continue eating KFC. Okay. Continue eating Burger King.
Oh.
Burger King can I give one of last time?
How do you know it's sparkling?
That's how.
Wow. Ooh. It has smooth. Isma Pellegrino. Colonel Nelly Pellegrino. No.
Mama, where's the funnel? Excuse me.
Guys, and stuff. Yes. So, also I put back my lashes, and I did them a bit natural because those look so heavy. Can you tell me? Okay, I'll start first. So, my lashes. I took them. But Mama, we're not taking it the same time. Mama, you're making us overflow. For real, we need to live.
Tell him not to drunk.
Watatazela friend. Kuthwane.
I colored before.
Ah, no fetsa mo.
No, when I have such a nice wig, where is my wig? There's nowhere to. Can you see it? This side. So you saying my eyes look done and better? What's it? I'm not that.
Guys, we are at Impala. We're going to go look for fruits and spices and stuff. It's car ride, like we we're always having a nice time in the car because you know our plate is always must I take a troll? And that one is dirty. I failed my driving test. Yeah. I think your name is guys. A vlog, a friend. Whoa. Oh, so first we're looking for blueberries and three blueberries. Hi friend, how you doing? Most of vlogging. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe.
Here's the other one. And here's the other one.
Red and
Isn't gone, is it?
Red grapes.
Yung ba nga ba di grape bake?
Like it's fake.
Juicy. Grapes.
Mama, you know these lights are deceiving us.
Yeah, these ones look thick. Juicy. Why didn't I look white? Sorry. Thank you. Look at how and the pens are reflecting.
Chicken stock
Chicken.
for the cooking. No smoke. No smoked paprika. This side is just normal paprika.
We need one in the last party. Okay.
No paprika.
Wait, I bought my empty flowers. Okay, we're going in. Ganahan fruba na mapali. Bona po. Oh. Yeah.
It's in your back.
Okay. Vegan, guys, i-plug. Nyantela. So if anyone wants to buy me flowers, please come here at Impala. Hey, my friend. Hi. Oh, sorry.
Oh, guys, ano na mag-coin?
Oh, friend.
Chat. Paling sandaling chat.
Broke bestie. Ooh.
Champa.
Ariyango, hey. Rurale shawara. Ratapare mele. Ripetile dolgiti. Risai patela. Vitama faisha. Okay guys, now we're going to bar. Our mission is to greet strangers there. So the window is wide open.
So I want to go to the main road. I'm gonna take
Go. You must also do YouTube. Can we see the crab? Is it in the room with us?
You want to see the crab? It's not store.
It's not so it's like not the crab there that we buy there at chicken. That's like that's
The one the live one. No.
so it has crabs, prawns, mussels, corn,
Sweet potato,
Prawn,
egg, Russian.
shrimp.
We're getting Manhattan.
I nominate sour. Sour.
You can also look
Worms.
It's all the same price. Sour worms.
No. I nominate. These ones look nice. Big. You see, guy. Those look nice. Yeah, it's our friend. Isaw din yun. Isaw.
Don't you show them that I don't fit out?
Wait, friend. Wow, short queen. Guys, must remember where we parking. 2 for mother. Yeah? M for mother. Oh, they all. Guys, apparently we're not on Foy's Mall, we're in the view. Kabanga. Umsebenzi omgaga. Le shop, Mar, this is Foy's Mall and for sure.
Ngibhalile mina.
Wow.
Ngangena. Ngangena. Gosh.
What's up? Man, mo pipi. Baby. Please show this time we're at the right place, please, guys. Please.
Are we sure?
You said in your nuggets. What the heck? You said one day. So I hope that one day is today, that you have the nuggets to feel that we are at the right place.
Guys, by the look of it, we're not there.
Meet your love friend. Okay, see.
Second try.
See ya. Mind your step. Okay. Number man, 2H. So we are at 2H, guys. You better remember. 10. We go exit number 10. I don't want to get lost in this big mall. I know Foy's Mall is big, so I don't want to get lost. Eh? So we have to walk to the other side. Yeah. Anna wants to go jump. Yeah. Free? How is it free?
It says step inside the free water pool.
And follow the instructions. Okay, let's go. And then they say you must pay. Let's go in. Step inside. Hey, beautiful.
Okay.
What?
Choose your filter.
What filter now? Pig. Where's pink on?
Google it on website.
Dokoso is even closing her eyes. What?
Must scan the
Hey, batata. How nice it looks. You pay ticket 200. What? Land on wall. And it's gonna give you height, Ndombo. Ah, that's sick. Guys, we went to, is it Ariana? Oh my god. They have such a nice stuff. Like, let me actually show you how the shop looks like. Guys, that's the shop. Wow. I couldn't even vlog inside there because, you know, you never know the rules and regulations of such luxury stores. Oh my gosh. But anyway, where are we going now? Are we going home? Look for what? But yeah, guys. Ooh, one day I'm gonna buy a coat bag, and you're not gonna see it coming. I'm telling you, one day. Give me this year and next year. Yes. This year and next year. Okay, come and get a vlog. So yeah, okay guys. Actually never been to Faro, so it's gonna be my first reaction as to how it looks. It actually looks so good. Wow. Wow. Nyakutshela friend, look at this friend. Nyakutshela, this is gonna look nice in our sauce. Yo. Shakira. Tama namasita. Oh, Dibutsele for you, friend. You see Michael Jackson. Wow. Look. Izokufanele friend. Ngiyakutshela. Ngiyakutshela. Wow. I agree. Look at that masterpiece. Michael Jackson has nothing on you. I'm telling you.
Go get you the double XL. I know my bums are big, but not that
Kim
big.
Kardashian.
Why, bon?
You're the border. It was gonna be like, wow. Couple. No. It's just okay. It's just mid. Like, nothing interesting. Nothing. Yeah, like, akuna. So next we're going to Diesel. Guys, coming to the mall, ne? Hey, but we're going to Diesel. Just eye shop, feed the eyes, you know. And we are done at the mall. I think today is my last day vlogging actually. Yeah, because I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going back to my house. Yeah, so we're gonna pay the tickets and let me actually end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog.